What is up, guys, and welcome back to another day of Whitley Auto Works. Today a buddy of mine dropped off some parts he wanted painted for his lawnmower, and I thought it'd be a perfect opportunity to unbox this. Vevor sent me out an electric pressure washer, guys, and if you know Vevor, or if you know power tools or whatever else, you probably heard of Vevor. The last couple of years they've really taken off that much more, and they're everywhere with all kinds of accessories and parts. But anyways, they reached out to me, asked me if I wanted to do a review on one of their pressure washers, and said they send it out and give you guys a discount code, so I'll include that in the description if you like what you see today. But yeah, let's unbox it and then let's clean up some parts and get them ready for paint. Alright guys, it took me a few minutes to get this set up. I've never had an electric pressure washer before, believe it or not. But basically when I got it, it was some assembly required. This whole bracket piece right here just snaps in. And then you got 1, 2, 3, 4 screws, these little brackets. This one's already on, but when you get it, that one comes separately. It's just in the box, so you have to put that on. And then this handle snaps in right there. And then on this side, you got the water hose. It comes all the way down and attaches right there on the front. And then your water inlet from your hose is right there. And then this bracket right here, obviously it just holds your hose. And it's cool. It's got this little plug right here, and you can even reset it. So it's got a breaker built in so you don't overload it. And install instructions are definitely thorough. Comes with the various 4 tips you're used to seeing, different colors, so they'll do different patterns and strengths, and we can try them out. A cleaner tool and some extra O-rings, because you'll probably wear them out over time, and then the little soap cannon tool that everybody loves to use. So we're going to take this outside, hook it up to the hose, and let's try it out and see how it works. Alright guys, so I got my water attached to it, and I got it plugged up to the outlet, and the little gun part of it comes in 2 parts. It's got a spring-loaded piece right here, so basically you pull the spring-loaded piece out, you find it to where it slides in, and then you twist it clockwise and let that go. That locks it in, and that has you ready to go. And then you got a place under here where the hose actually attaches to it. So you pull the hose out, and you actually have a little lever. You push the lever in, you push the hose in, and you let go, and now your hose is attached and you're ready to go. Now you never want to operate this without water pressure on it. You burn up the little pump. And yeah, so let me turn the water on and we'll try out the first accessory tip. I got 4 different colored tips, and then the regular little nozzle that goes on the end. So we'll try them one by one. I'll start with the little black nozzle that goes on the end. Just pop it in, it's spring loaded as well, just like an air fitting. And yeah, let's turn this thing on and see what we got. Not too bad. That's the little blast tip, so let's take that tip off. Let's try a different one. Alright, next tip is the orange tip. Let's see what it does. Alright, so that's a little more streamlined. It's not too bad. Alright, let's try another tip. We're going to go through them one by one. This is the red tip. I've seen a lot of people use either the red tip or the yellow tip, but alright, yeah, that's like a straight line, boy. That's pressure right there. That worked really good if you're trying to clean something off real quick. Alright, let's try another one. Let's see, this one is the green tip. That's like the fogger type tip. That works pretty good. Alright, and last but not least, I think is the white tip. Let's see. Alright. Yep, and obviously you can turn them different directions. I mean, it seems pretty powerful, guys. Let's test it out on the car over here, and we'll watch them panels and everything else. It's supposed to be rated for 2,000 PSI, so yeah, I mean, I like it so far. It seems pretty good. The motor's very responsive. I like that this one actually comes with a really long hose and the cord for the 12 volt where you hook everything up, plug it into the wall. That's a really long cord as well. So you can take this farther distances, and yeah, so let's try it out and clean some stuff. Alright guys, so what I've done is I've actually put a little bit of Dawn dish soap in here. It says to dilute it. I'm going to take this tip off the top, put that in my pocket, and basically this foam cannon piece, well, we're learning something right now. In order to do the foam cannon, you actually got to take the other rod off. So let me see. Set this down, in, twist. You got to push in and then twist, and it pulls out. I'm guessing this is going to be the same way. There you go. Alright, so that's the foam cannon. Huh. Alright, let's see if it foams. Alright guys, so there you have it, the Vevor pressure washer. Now this is a really cool tool. It has a really long hose, it has a really long extension for the cable that plugs into the wall. All in all, I think it's a great little entry-level power washer. A big shout out to Vevor for sending it out. And they've given you guys a discount code in the link of this video to get 5% off your next purchase. So go check this out on the website, guys. Give them a follow. Tell them thank you for supporting the channel. And yeah, let's get into a spray out. Alright guys, so as you can see, we've jumped ahead a little bit. I've got a fender already sprayed with Rustoleum behind me. I got an apple red on half of it, charcoal gray on the other half. And today, we're going to be shooting some eye candy pigments, Glimmer Ghost Red. We did Glimmer Ghost Blue on a past episode, and you guys really liked it over some different colors. And these are kind of like the other Ghost Reds you saw. Basically, there's three of them, guys. There's Ghost Red, there's Glimmer Ghost Red, and then there's Galactic Ghost Red. I've already done Galactic over white and black, so Glimmer I'm doing it over the red and gray. Kind of trying to switch it up so you guys see a variety, not just constantly over the same colors. And a lot of people have been actually asking for a red over red, and I think it'll do good over the dark gray as well. So anyways, I got 5 ounces total. I am using the Finish One Clear Coat today. 4-to-1 mix, 4 parts clear, 1 part fast activator because it's a little on the cool side. I've got a 5-gram sample bag, and like I did with the previous Glimmer Blue Ghost Pearl, I'm probably just going to put the whole bag in there and see where we end up. So I'm going to go ahead and drop this in real quick, and then I'll bring you guys in close so you can see this mix. Alright guys, so this is Glimmer Ghost Red before I even stir it up. As you can see, it has some pinks and purple undertones. That's just the way the reds typically work, unless you're using metal flake. But as you get to stirring, just like that Glimmer Ghost Blue, you got the same kind of crazy effect where you just see that red tint at different angles. So I think this is going to be a very interesting today. But there's only one way we can find out, guys. Let's load up the old Vevor gun and let's get to spraying. Alright guys, so I got my paint gun loaded up with some of this Glimmer Ghost Red from My Candy Pigments. I shoot at 28 psi wide open trigger. This is a 1.4 tip gun. If you decide you want to replicate my settings, feel free to. I'm going to do a light coat on this panel first, make sure we don't have any reactions, and then 2 or 3 follow-up coats till we get the desired effect, and then we'll have some fun. We'll take it out in the sun and see what we got. We'll put the mask on, let's get the spraying. Alright guys, so Glimmer Ghost Red by Eye Candy Pigments over top of charcoal gray and apple red. Man, the thing is about Ghost Red pearls, guys, if you look at it at the hard angles, you see that red. But also, you get purple in it too. And that's just because the colors that go into making it just kind of clash sometimes. And like I said, you'll flop the red at one angle, and you'll flop the purple at a different angle. So it's just one of those things, guys. Kind of do it accordingly. If you just want straight red and you don't have to deal with the flopping issue with pearls, you can go with microflake. But anyways, what do you think? Alright guys, so we went through a lot today. We started off with this Vevor pressure washer over here. A big shout out to Vevor for sending this out. It's a great little entry-level tool. Man, it definitely gets the job done. It's got all the different attachments. It's got the foam cannon. I'm going to have to get me some better soap because I didn't know what I was doing with that, but I'm going to play with it. I think this is going to be really, really cool. So I've always wanted an electric pressure washer too. So like I said, shout out to Vevor for sending it out. Go give them a like and follow. Links will be in the description. I can get you guys a discount if you want to pick you up an electric pressure washer too. And yeah, thanks Vevor. And for the eye candy pearl today, guys, that we shot over charcoal gray and apple red. That Glimmer Ghost Red pearl from Eye Candy really, really pops over all kinds of colors. And the cool thing about the ghost pearls is they don't really interfere with the color itself. You still see it. They kind of disappear when the light's off. and it's just a really cool effect nonetheless. But ultimately, guys, it ain't up to me. You guys rate it 1 through 5. 1, you don't really care for it. 5, it's the greatest thing you've ever seen. And if you decide you want to spray with Glimmer Ghost Red from My Candy Pigments, I am an affiliate. I can get you a discount. Links will be in the description. You just click the link and enter WAW shop while shop at checkout. You'll get a discount, and it goes to help out the channel. Same thing with the Finish One clear coat I used. It always works great over Rustoleum and the paint gun and everything else, guys. The links will be in the description. You just click my Ask Seen on YouTube link. It'll take you to my Amazon store where you can purchase all that stuff there. And it goes to help out the channel. We get a small kickback, but it don't cost you guys anything extra. And you get the benefits of Amazon Prime and everything else they have to offer. If you made it this far in the video, you're not already, and you like what I'm doing with all this stuff, guys, please hit that subscribe button. Ring that bell notification so you don't miss an episode. And please feed the algorithm. Leave me a like in the comment at least. Or just at least hit the like button. That way, you know, the video spreads out and all that type of stuff for YouTube. But anyways, guys, I've had tons of fun today. Tons of stuff we did, and yeah, that's going to be it for me today, guys. I'm John from WHITLEY Autoworks. I hope you guys have a great day. God bless, and I'll see you guys on the next episode.